BMW announced the quickest and most powerful production BMW car ever, the 2022 M5 CS Sedan. Available only for the 2022 model year, the new limited production super sedan builds on the immensely capable M5, itself recently updated for model year 2021, by delivering more power, greater performance, lighter weight, and exclusive interior appointments, making the new M5 CS truly a one-of-a-kind vehicle in its class. The S63 4.4-liter M TwinPower turbo V8 has been tuned to deliver 627 HP at 6,000 RPM, an increase of 10 HP over the competition model. The torque band delivers its full 553 pound-foot from 1,800 to 5,950 RPM, 90 RPM wider than the M5 competition. The 8-cylinders engine redline is 7,200 RPM. The high-pressure direct fuel injection ensures precise fuel atomization and fast engine response. The liquid-to-air intercooling for the two turbochargers and oil system with two pumps make sure that the M5 CS is as competent on track as it is on the street. Combined with the reduced vehicle weight, the high levels of power and torque, and working through the 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic transmission with drive logic and the MX Drive all-wheel drive system, the M5 CS reaches 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, 0.2 seconds quicker than the M5 competition model. Top speed with the standard M Drivers package is 190 miles per hour. The M Drivers package also includes a voucher for BMW driver training. The driver can select from 3 X-Drive modes including 4WD, 4WD Sport and 2WD. The dynamic stability control system can be adjusted between 3 settings to further enhance driver control: DSE on, MDM, M Dynamic mode, and DSE off. The 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission provides extraordinarily short shift times and fast, precise responses to every input of the accelerator. The drive logic switch on the gear selector lever allows 3 modes: efficient, sport or track with extremely rapid gear shifts. A transmission oil cooler ensures the transmission operates within its best temperature range even when the car is put through its paces on a closed track. The dual branch, electric flap-controlled sport exhaust system, with quad stainless steel tips, fitted to the M5 CS amplifies and enhances the V8's soundtrack while giving the option for quieter operation when necessary. The exhaust tones characteristics are changed depending on the selected mode: efficient, sport or sport plus. Additionally, the M sound button can soften the exhaust tone for a more understated note.